path is now wet. Whoa. Instant silence. It sounded like a switch almost being turned off. Ah, there it is. I can see it. I can see it. Almost there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Raven. Raven. Hello. 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 Yo. Look at that cute face. Look at that cute face. Diggies. Diggies. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Look at that eyes. They're so cute eyes. Monster. And you're just a monster. Huh? Just a monster. And Chewy's there all alone. Chewy. Chewy. Give me two. Ah, don't jump on me. All right, between the legs. Hello. Hello, Tutu. No, it's two between the legs. I don't think that's going. There's not enough space for two. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another video. Now today it's going to be a bit different because it's not going to be any tech related or anything. Well, I don't think so. Instead it's going to be a bit of a travel vlog because we are going a bit on holiday. We're going to the bush, to the Kruger National Park, which is going to be really nice. I haven't really been like on holiday in like forever and even longer been to the Kruger National Park, so it's going to be really nice. I'm looking forward to it. Now it's just going to be for a couple of days, not really long. We're only going in once, unfortunately. The reason for that, don't cry, it's okay. The reason for that is because my sister and her husband was coming from the UK, and just after they booked everything, they initiated that travel restriction for Omicron and everything. So now they couldn't come, and now they're only coming out like a week or so later, because right afterwards, again, like a week or something, they lifted it again. So they already made other plans and everything, and they couldn't cancel our reservation. So it's just going to be me, my mom, my dad. So we're gonna have some bit of family time, bit of fun. So I think it's going to be quite relaxing. Just get out, get some fresh air in. I'm already getting some fresh air, but the farm is not enough. I need to get that wild bush smell in. That wild bush air. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the road then. Cool, check it out. When buying a new PC, Windows is usually the last thing on your mind because you want to spend all of your cash on some high-end hardware, which can cause some budgeting problems, but it doesn't have to be. SuperCDK is a reseller of Microsoft Windows and Office licenses at a much lower price that you can get in store, as well as game keys from all of the large platforms like Steam, Origin, Uplay, and other PC games. By using my coupon code SPWT, you can get an extra 30% off on a Windows 10 Pro OEM license, which will then cost you less than $16. So check out the link in the video description where you can save some cash and then also spend all of your hard-earned money on some better hardware. sluit hierdie kar se sleutel in die boot toe. Is so lekker beach daaronder.
Ja. Net 'n stewige klim weer terug tot die bo.
Lekker beach daaronder. I guess it's just me now. I didn't really think we were going to do this, so I don't necessarily have the best shoes to kind of climb a mountain, so it's a bit more of a struggle than I thought. Right, so the path follows around there, and then I think it goes on the bush, and there's a lot of ants. Big man-eating ants. Alright, so I'm almost down to the waterfall. I'm not sure how it looks down there, but it's gonna be a bit of a problem to get up. I'm not used to really climbing mountains or just going down like steep hills. So wish me luck, because it's pretty rough, and again, I don't have the best shoes. My knees aren't also the best at doing this, so I've got old man knees. But I'm almost there. It's just like down there. So a few more minutes and then I'll be down, and then it's going to be, yeah, you can't even see all the way up. So let's see how far I get. Alright, so I think we're pretty much here now. I just need to go through that, and then I can hear like a small waterfall over there, and then of course the big one's going to be all the way back there. So we'll see how far I still need to go. Creepy. Yeah. Whoa, check this massive butterfly moth. It's pretty damn big, but it's dead. Shame. Now I need to just be careful for snakes. So I don't want to step on a snake here. That's going to be a bit of a problem. You can hear all the, but we call them sun beetles, zombiesies, but the cicadas or what? Like, makes the sound like super loud. Almost there, I can hear it. Ha! The water. A stream. Whoa, the shoes aren't the best. They keep slipping, but I'm almost there. My parents are still all the way at the top. But almost, you can hear them. They're so freaking loud. And the path is now wet. Whoa. Instant silence. It sounds like a switch almost being turned off. Ah, there it is. I can see it. I can see it. Almost there. Somebody's scarf. Whoa, that's high. That's it. People over there are taking a nice little dip. I don't think I'm gonna do that this time, but it looks pretty nice. All the way. Alright, cool, so I got all of my shots at the waterfall right in front. I didn't go in, unfortunately. I don't really have the clothes or anything for that. But I got my shot, so looks pretty cool. This is where I wish I had a bit of a better phone. The Huawei P40 Lite that I have isn't good enough. I don't want to bring this camera closer because the water, the blast of water, it's just a bit too much for the camera to handle. So, but there it is, one down. I think we're going to do a bit more as well. So now I need to get all the way back up. All right, so I made it out. There was a shortcut that's much steeper, but it's shorter. So I wanted to actually take that one, but I didn't see it. I saw it when I was going there, but I missed it now. So now it's all the way back up there, right there. So, and that's not even all of the way. My parents should be around there somewhere. Yeah, there they are. You can see them up there. So I made it all the way up. My parents, they're behind me. No, I don't want to go that way. That's down. This way. So this is the most exercise I've had in like forever. But it was fun. You can still see down there. It was all the way down there. So now I just want to get back to the car and relax for a bit. And then on to the next one. Luckily I don't think this one you have to go all the way down. I'm a bit tired out here. Oh, you can go there, all the way there. That's quite a big drop.
Another one.
Yeah. More stairs. Alright, so I'm on my way now to God's Window, which is just like we're on a massive like hill. It's inside a tiny rainforest on top of the hill, which is awesome. But apparently you can see almost to the sea, you can see into Mozambique. So that's pretty cool. I've been here before, but it was like really tiny. You could just hear all of the insects. But yeah, it's pretty dark in here. And the air is so fresh. It's so nice, it's so cool. My mom's coming. Because it's quite a hike, so but it looks really cool. And I'm really pink for some reason. It's really dark for some reason on the camera. I need to adjust some of the features, but Cycle. so. Bietjie hoog en bietjie ver. Ik denk hij zal zitten tussen, ja, dat kan niet mooi zien. Fuck that. Jesus.